My name is Elliot Winton and welcome to Cypography Market Sweep. We're down at Fish on Tackle Shop in Kent with our latest contestant and store owner, Ricky Connolly.
Hi.
We've hidden 7 inflatable fish around the store, each with a cash value totalling £1,000. Ricky's mission is to find the fish using the clues provided. The more fish he finds, the bigger the cash prize will be for one of our Cypography members. So Ricky, how are you feeling?
I'm super excited. Can't wait to get started.
Okay, so are you happy with the rules?
Yes, I'm happy with the rules.
Right, let's play Cypography Market Sweep. You've got 3 minutes to find all of the prizes. Let's get started. If you find yourself in trouble, you could say that you're in a something situation.
Sticky.
Got it? Okay, number 2. A bad joke goes down like a something balloon.
Lead balloon.
Got it. Another word for water.
Aqua. Got it!
If you're arrested by the police, you might find yourself in a...
Prison? What? A spot? So what's the question again?
If you're arrested by the police, you might find yourself locked in a...
Cell? Cell! Cell. Freezer cell. Got it.
A famous catchphrase. Get in that!
Net. You big fat carp. Got it.
If you're the first to do something that inspires others to do the same, people might call you a...
Leader. Influencer.
Time's running out, I just want to let you know.
Say it again.
If you're the first to do something that inspires others to do the same, you may be regarded as a...
Pioneer. Got it! Am I going back there?
Now, for the final prize, you have only 15 seconds left, and this is worth £400. You are often described by the people that know you as a little ginger...
Dwarf! Brilliant! Got it!
Ricky, congratulations, you found all 7 prizes, which means one lucky Cypography member will now have the chance to play their own game of Cypography Market Sweep. You will have £1,000 to spend, and you can do so online or in store. So, remember to become a Cypography member on or before the 5th of July, November.